Picture this, a perfectly rounded pizza, its crust golden and slightly charred, with a gentle crunch that gives way to a soft, airy interior. A vibrant layer of rich homemade tomato sauce peeks out from beneath a luxurious blanket of melted mozzarella. The aroma of fresh basil leaves, scattered like emerald jewels, wafts up and teases your senses. This isn't just any pizza. This is an authentic Italian pizza. Start by gathering the ingredients. For the dough, you'll need strong bread flour, yeast, salt, and warm water. For the sauce, get some ripe tomatoes, garlic, salt, and a dash of sugar. And of course, don't forget the stars of the show, mozzarella cheese and fresh basil leaves. Begin with the dough. Combine the flour, yeast, and salt. Slowly add the warm water, mixing until it forms a soft, sticky dough. Knead it well until it becomes smooth and elastic. Place it in a covered bowl and let it rise until it doubles in size. This process, though time-consuming, is the key to achieving that perfect, airy crust. While the dough rises, prepare the sauce. Sauté the garlic until golden, add the tomatoes, salt, and sugar, and let it simmer until it reduces to a rich, tangy sauce. The secret to a great pizza sauce lies in its simplicity. When the dough has risen, punch it down gently and divide it into portions. Roll each portion into a thin disc, taking care not to overwork the dough. Now comes the fun part, assembling the pizza. Spread a generous amount of sauce over the dough, leaving a small border for the crust. Sprinkle with chunks of mozzarella, and finally, scatter fresh basil leaves on top. The basil not only adds a pop of color, but also imparts a unique, aromatic flavor that is quintessentially Italian. Bake the pizza in a preheated oven at the highest temperature until the crust is golden, and the cheese is bubbling and slightly browned. The high temperature ensures a crisp crust and perfectly melted cheese. To sum it up, making an authentic Italian pizza involves preparing a simple yeasted dough, a homemade tomato sauce, and topping it with mozzarella and basil. Baking it at a high temperature ensures a perfectly cooked pizza. Remember, the beauty of pizza lies in its simplicity. The few but high-quality ingredients, the time taken to let the dough rise, the homemade sauce, all of these factors contribute to a pizza that is truly a slice of Italy. So, the next time you crave pizza, why not make it yourself? It's easier than you think, and the satisfaction of biting into a pizza you made yourself is unparalleled. Enjoy the process, enjoy the pizza, and most importantly, enjoy the taste of Italy right in your kitchen.